So hello guys, I will teach you how to change your name in Valorant. So please watch carefully and follow my steps. So let's start and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. First go to Riot Client, go here, in Valorant, click the profile icon here in the top right side, click it, go to account details and you will direct to the site and you will go here and you will see here at the top Riot ID. So this is your name in Valorant, so you can change it. So example, my name is AC, so I will do AC. mm, Prime, then tagline, uh, think about easy to remember, so I will use 1414 then save change. And now you already changed your IGN or change or your game name in Valorant. So remember, this is 90 days cooldown before you change it. So thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.